Model CT118 CNC High Precision CNC Toolroom Lathe. CT118 CNC High Precision CNC Toolroom Lathe. The ability to use a tailstock and live center to perform shaft work is maintained. The unique arc design shape. Innovative tool plate design add the capability to remove the compound tool post and swap quick change tool post or T-slot gang tool. CT118 CNC is the one CNC toolroom lathe that can bring you two different styles of machining capability. A variety of chuck, including 5C collet chuck, three-jaw chuck, pneumatic chuck, and more. Expanding collet, vacuum chuck, hydraulic chuck, chuck back plate, 6-inch three-jaw chuck, lathe dog, faceplate, pneumatic chuck, precision diaphragm chuck, step chuck,